what was the forecast for mortgage rates? Well, guess what? For 2025, the forecast at this seminar was mortgage rates to hit the low sixes. Well, that's frankly not much lower than where we're at now. Again, we're at mid to high sixes. In fact, interestingly, I saw on the business news, they're talking about rates are in the sevens again for conforming 30-year fixed. We're not that high. We're actually in the mid, 6.5, 6 5/8, 6 3/4 range. But when you think about it, if the mortgage rates are predicted to be in the low sixes in 2025, that's not much of a movement for where we're at now. And in fact, the further forecast for 26 at this seminar was mid fives. Well, again, that's not much of a movement from where we are now over the next 24 months. And we were briefly at the mid five level in September. Unfortunately, it didn't stay around long at all, literally just a few weeks, and it's shot back up. So that was a pretty interesting takeaway, Jeff, both in terms of home prices and interest rates. Higher for longer, probably true on both home prices as well as mortgage rates.
I don't want to like sound like I'm just tooting your horn or patting you on the back, but you've been saying this for a long time. If you go back and look at any of the programs you've done over the last 12 months, I mean, you have predicted this almost on the mark and really encouraged people to take action, especially when we saw that dip just a few weeks ago about maybe a month and a half ago, to take advantage of what was going on. And unfortunately, a lot of people didn't. So